everyone, it's me again, Shela Butalid, your licensed real estate broker here at SMDC. And for today's video, nandito ako ngayon sa Gold Residences. Kung makikita niyo yung mga towers behind me, that's our phase 1. So to give you an update for our construction, update for the project, we have here the Tower A. So nandito yung Tower A natin. It's 84% completion project. So we have the Tower 2, which is 82%, and Tower C, we have the 91%. So almost turnover na siya. Ayan, so talagang malapit na ma-turnover si Tower C. Ang target completion date naman natin for phase 1 is this year, 2026, fourth quarter. So sa mga may units dyan sa Gold Residences or nagbabalak pang bumili, comment down below if you want to know more about the project.